Well, you don't see these every day. In this condition, at least. Brand new NOS Satin Centerline Auto Drags from 1978. Never mounted. I bought them from the original owner. Had them sitting on a shelf in his garage since '78. So 42 years. It's pretty cool. True old school, you know, street machine stuff. Cool old boxes. Old SEMA tags. That's where they were bought from. Softy's Speed Shop in Winnipeg. Which is pretty cool. You don't really see this old school box art anymore. Aluminum street and racing wheel. It's cool. Santa Fe Springs, California. Another old school Ship 2 tag. I know you see guys show cars all the time, but you know, this stuff made the cars, right? Back in the day. Wouldn't have been the 70s street machine scene without, you know, Krager SS and Centerlines and Keystone Custom Eggs and all the cool stuff. Right? It's pretty wicked. Look at the original finish. I've never ever cleaned them or anything. There's still a little bit of original oil that they put on it to protect it. I was worried that the oil would have wrecked the wheels, but it never happened. Man, that's wicked. Like, never had tires mounted or anything. You know, to go 42 years, never having tires mounted or anything, it's pretty wicked. So they're Mopar or Ford bolt pattern 5x4.5 inch, 15x10 rears with 4 7/8 backspace, and then 15x5.5 inch fronts. In the same condition. You know, didn't even have lug nuts put on it. Just pretty crazy. They escaped the hot rod scene for some reason.